holy freezing, you guys. It is cold here. It's 42 degrees out. And for Arizona, that is the freaking frozen tundra, all right? Not great. Okay, it's okay. My car will warm up soon. Today's video is going to be the part 2 to my RV renovation that perhaps I recorded mid-August. So sorry. Again, hate editing, not a fun time, refuse to do it. I will be using this video as a little opener to part 2, so enjoy that action today. Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of this RV detailing experience. So last episode we redid the floor in the bathroom area, so if you want to check that out, I will link that video in the description and in the iCard. But today we are going to start cleaning things, like actually doing the cleaning. There are quite a bit of like dead bugs and grime like in all the windowsills. So I'm thinking I'm going to start there today. The other big thing I want to do is shampoo and extract the carpet in the bedroom. I don't think I have to do that in the living room because this is like brand new carpet, so this is all good to go. And the other big thing is the wallpaper. There's like this strip of wallpaper in the middle of going through the middle of all the walls, and it's like peeling on the top and bottom. So I'm gonna try and remove that. Might have to look up a couple things. I don't know if it'll just peel off. I have some Goo Gone to try and deal with the sticky stuff underneath. But I don't know. I'm guessing if I steam it, it'll peel off a lot better. So that's the method I'm thinking I'm going to try. I'm going to use the steamer a lot today. I'm going to steam out all the windowsills. But yeah, I think it's mostly going to be like a steam cleaning sort of vibe. So get ready because we're going to do some deep detailed cleaning. Okay, so here's kind of what I'm talking about. Like, oh shit. Gross, disgusting, dead stuff in all of these grimy windowsills. Like, it's just so bad. Gross, 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 gross. There was a spider dangling somewhere at one point. But I'm going to start with these windows, and then I'm going to pull the blinds down and try and clean those too. Oh my god, ew, spiders. Okay, first things first is vacuuming, because gross. So let's do that first. Okay, so step one is complete. That took way longer than I thought it was going to. I was cleaning those windows for I think like 2 hours. I didn't check and see when I started, but it's we're losing sunlight already. So but this whole section of windows is completely clean. They were so freaking disgusting. From far away it probably doesn't make much of a difference, but when you get up close, no bugs, no dirt. I don't think those were ever cleaned before. So, oh, they look so good. I'm so excited. But anyway, let me show you what I'm going to work on next. All right, so we just did all of these windows. Now I'm going to go up into these cabinets and clean up there because there is just dirty, gross stuff in here. It's just like dead bugs. Why is it so foggy? Okay, well, dead spider, dead ladybug. It's just gross. It needs to be wiped out. So I'm going to vacuum these out and then probably just wipe them out with a soapy rag. Alrighty, next area is gonna be this little like office alcove type thing. So we've got regular window stuff. Probably not gonna film myself doing that because you guys just saw me do it like 1,000 times. But just gotta wipe off the cabinet. We're throwing away all these little like insert things, so pull that out, throw that away. And then this is like one of those pull out drawer things, so gotta clean that up. That's disgusting. And then just some drawers I gotta wipe out and vacuum and stuff. So, is this a heater? I think this is a heater. Okay, well, okay, it's light. I'll pull that out so I can vacuum under there. Anyway, this area next. Okay, progress is slow but steady. This whole area is done. Did that little alcove. And now we are going to tackle this beastie. It's pretty gross in here. Got a lot of like random stuff. I think I just gotta clean it all out. And then I think it's mostly dusty and whatnot. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so that just needs vacuumed and wiped. And that's just like a cubby hole. Okay, not so bad. Not so bad. Okay, this whole section has been beautified. Now I'm just gonna do these two windows. I kind of slid the couch out a little bit so I could stand back there, but I'm just gonna clean these quickly because, again, seen me clean windows before. Not that exciting, so I'm just gonna hurry up and get this done, and then we'll move on to the next section. Alrighty guys, that is all I have for you guys today in part 2 of the RV detailing experience. I got like the whole living room done, so I think in part 3 we're going to do the kitchen and dining room area. I feel like that would be a good next one to do. Okay, wait. Everybody pause. Disaster struck. I did all of this beautiful cleaning, and then there was this crazy tropical storm that slammed down through Iowa, like just wrecked it. It was so fast. I was at my mom's house when it happened, and I guess it's called like a derecho or a derecho or something. I'm not exactly sure.
Derecho.
It's some crazy ass tropical storm that I've never heard of before and passed through the Midwest like a freaking train wreck. It was like a little mini hurricane, kind of. And it basically destroyed everything in its path. Here's a picture of what it looked like at my mom's house. So it was kind of scary. Like, we went into the basement, all the like tornado sirens were going off and all that. And it was like trash and recycle day. Now, the trash people had come and picked everything up, but the recycle people had not. So basically the entire neighborhood was just like covered in everyone's recycling material. So we all had to go out there after the storm and pick it all up. And there were some broken trees, but it was mostly just recycle stuff everywhere. So we were just kind of like, oh, that was crazy storm. Like, but my dad lives 30 minutes east of my mom. And so as storms move west to east, you know, I had called him. I was like, hey, like, are you at the shop? You need to go like somewhere and be safe. And like, this thing's crazy. All the sirens are going off. It hit my dad's town so hard. Like, it destroyed it. Like, they are still now in December, like, getting things back together in their town. It's an older city, so like giant trees just like fell on top of houses, power lines wrecked. I went down there to stay with my dad, and for a week we did not have power. Like, thank God my dad had multiple generators. So like, we had one at my dad's house, at my aunt's house, at my grandma's house. So like, everybody had some sort of power to use during the day, but a whole week without power. It was crazy. I have never experienced that before in my life. It was totally bonkers. But what also happened is it wrecked the RV. It actually totaled the RV. So, basically what happened is from what we can tell, is it tipped the RV over. The bedroom section slid out, bounced off the ground, and like popped it back up sitting. Otherwise it would have like fully tipped over on to the vehicles in the driveway, but I guess it just like hit the ground and popped back up, but it just completely totaled it. So sad news for all the work that I was doing in there, but it actually turned out for the best, because what my dad was going to sell it for after I was done detailing it was way less than what he actually got from insurance for it being totaled. So all in all, the RV situation worked out for the best financially for my dad, but like, that storm was nuts. It was crazy. If you have stuck with me to the very end of this video, thank you so much. It seriously means the world to me. With this baby coming, I'm really trying to evaluate what I can do work from home wise so I can be with her all the time. So I'm really trying to make this YouTube thing work. So thank you so much for supporting me and watching my channel. If you are new here, if you liked what we have going on, definitely subscribe. I would love if you joined our little detailing community here. So anyway, that is all I have for you guys today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!